If you're into woodworking and dream of creating your own table legs, bowls, or even chess pieces, the WEN 12-inch by 18-inch 5-speed wood lathe might just be your new best friend. Offering versatility, power, and reliability, this lathe has garnered attention for its performance and value. Let's dive into the features and user experiences to understand what makes this lathe stand out. Impressive specifications. The WEN lathe boasts a range of features that cater to both beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Its ability to handle workpieces up to 18 inches long and 12 inches wide opens up a realm of possibilities for turning projects. The 5 different speeds, ranging from 520 to 3,400 RPM, ensure precise control over various materials and turning tasks. Robust construction and performance. Constructed with a sturdy cast metal frame and powered by a 4.5 amp motor, this lathe delivers exceptional torque while maintaining stability during operation. Users appreciate its solid build quality, which minimizes vibrations and ensures accurate results. Whether you're turning spindles or crafting bowls, the WEN lathe offers the reliability needed for successful woodworking projects. User-friendly design. The inclusion of an MT2 spindle and tailstock taper enhances compatibility with a wide range of accessories, providing flexibility for different turning applications. Users have praised the easy-to-use lever clamping system, which facilitates quick and precise adjustments to the tool rest and tailstock. Customer feedback. Feedback from users highlights the overall satisfaction with the lathe's performance and value for money. Positive remarks emphasize its solid construction, reliable operation, and excellent customer service from WEN. Some users have noted minor issues, such as a broken tool rest, but commend WEN for promptly addressing and resolving such issues. Room for improvement. While the lathe receives high praise, some users have identified areas for improvement. One common concern relates to the exposed on-off switch, which poses a safety risk if accidentally activated. Suggestions for enclosing the switch to prevent accidental operation highlight opportunities for enhancing user safety in future iterations of the product. Final thoughts. In summary, the WEN LA3424 4.5 amp 12-inch benchtop wood lathe offers a compelling combination of performance, versatility, and value. Whether you're a seasoned woodturner or a novice looking to explore the craft, this lathe provides the tools and support needed to unleash your creativity. With its robust construction, user-friendly design, and responsive customer service, it's no surprise that the WEN lathe has earned a reputation as a top choice among woodworking enthusiasts.